Hey guys, happy propose day. So today I surprised Vipul with this scratch card. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep on watching this video. So all you need is A4 size sheet. You can use any color you want. Ruler, marker, paintbrush, pencil and rubber, crayon, cutter, and acrylic paint. So first I draw a border line with the black marker. I'm just doing a simple border line. You can do anything you want. You can decorate your card with your choice. You can even use colorful tapes. You can color your border. You can use sticker, and you can do whatever you want in your card. But I am doing a simple border line. So now I am writing the content, and again with the help of black marker, and I write I love you, wonder why, scratch and see. You can even use different contents and other contents like 10 reasons why I love you, 10 things I love about you, and so many other things. You can Google it and you can use different content for your scratch card. So now I'm taking red marker and I draw some red hearts and a cupid arrow so that it will look more interesting. So now we are on the main part of this DIY. Now I'm doing this scratch card part. So I draw similar hearts with the help of this stencil. I drew 15 hearts to add my 15 reasons why I love Vipul. And now I am adding the reason why I love Vipul, and that is so difficult because there are only 15 hearts and I have so many reasons to love Vipul. So it was a very difficult part for me. Now come on the scratch part. So for that I use red crayon. Now cover the heart completely. And now when you are done with the crayon, add acrylic paint over the crayon. You might have to do it 2 or 3 times so that it will cover the text completely. So I'm done with the acrylic part, but the text is still visible, so I'm using the powder sparkle to cover my text with the help of glue. So now my scratch card hearts are ready. Now I have to give it a final look, so I'm just doing a outline with the help of black marker. Now I am done with this DIY. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Now let's see how Vipul is going to react when I propose him with this card. So happy propose day, Vipul Chaudhary. So are you ready for your gift? Happy propose day.
I have to scratch it.
Yes. So you have to scratch it with this cutter. I only cutter. दिखाओ तो सही वाले सबको.
Scratch, but लेकिन हाथ से करना होता है ना scratch.
This is a scratch card.
It's looking nice. ऐसे?
ये वाला मत करो, ये भी सूखा है. ये वाला करो.
Cheating क्यों की तुम? ये तुमने नया कुछ change करके दिखाया था ना?
नहीं. तो अच्छे से करो, पेपर फट जाएगा.
You are crazy. Crazy like me. You are crazy like me. That's why you love me.
Yes.
Good.
And
oh.
Am I wasting your time?
No. You are my best friend.
Yes.
Yeah, obviously.
You are the only one, you know.
And
तेरे यार बतेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा, है ना जीव?
you respect me. I respect you.
Yes.
Oh.
तुम पेपर फाड़ दोगे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
अरे तो ये बहुत तुमने राइट किया.
तो वो दिख रहा था इसलिए मैंने ऐसे किया.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You understand me?
Yes.
I understand you.
You don't?
Yeah, I do. बहुत मजा आ रहा है मुझे करने में.
बचपन में करते थे ना स्क्रैच कार्ड से, तो मजा आता था.
I'm liking it.
मुझे भी याद.
You support me. I support you. Yeah, I know. And I have to support you. Because you are my. अब मैं जल्दी करने वाला हूँ.
पेपर मत फाड़ देना.
No, 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 no.
मुझे भी याद नहीं है मैंने क्या लिखा.
मैं टीप के तो नहीं लिखा ना कहीं से.
नहीं, obviously.
Obviously.
मैंने बोला नहीं obviously.
I love the way you kiss and hug me.
इतना क्या हंस रहे हो?
बदतमीज लड़की।
इतना क्या हंस रहे हो?
नहीं फटेगा फिर।
You motivates me.
Okay.
You do, right?
Yeah, I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 15 reason only.
नहीं और भी थे पर पेपर पे नहीं आए.
या तो मैं आलस आ गया.
हाँ यार बनाने में कितना टाइम लगा मुझे इसको.
Okay. You are different from others. I am alien?
No, you are different from other guys. You are loyal to me, right? तो गाइस आ नहीं रहा था इसलिए मैंने अदर्स लिख दिया. ओलो.
कोई बात नहीं.
You are tall.
You are tall. That's why you loves me.
हाँ.
Okay. I'm tall.
अब डार्क हैंडसम तो लिख नहीं सकती थी.
I'm not dark.
You are handsome.
I'm handsome. Thank you. कहाँ से लाते तुम इतने ideas?
You like it?
Yeah.
It's something different, right?
Very different.
आज सुबह ही आया मुझे आइडिया. मैं कहा मैं प्रपोजल भी कुछ नहीं कर रही विपुल के लिए, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है.
Okay.
I love your hands.
ये तो कुछ भी.
I love your hands. मैं बोलती तो हूँ तुम्हें, मुझे तुम्हारे हाथ अच्छे लगते हैं. तुमने एक तो फाड़ दिया ना, बदतमीज.
नहीं.
Love the way you smile.
Okay. इस स्क्रैच को भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है.
इस स्माइल के लिए तो सब कर रही हूँ मैं. क्या स्क्रैच होके ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है?
I can.
Count on you.
Okay.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You be there.
You always give me attention.
Attention.
Yeah, I give you attention.
परेठम.
And ये बात सबको पता है. मेरे दोस्त मुझे काउंट मारते हैं.
गुड मैं जुर्म कर दिला बन के रहूंगा. हाँ बट तुम्हारे दोस्त तो ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. एक लास्ट बचा है बट वो थोड़ा सा गीला होगा अभी.
तरीके से करना.
क्या लिखा है मुझे भी याद नहीं. यू आर केयरिंग.
ओके. लेकिन मैं इसे हटा के पढ़ूंगा तुम झूठ भी तो बोल सकती हो.
अच्छा
यू आर तो लिखे मुझे कैरिंग लिख के. ओके. अब मैं शुरू से पढ़ूं.
हाँ.
You are caring, you are crazy like me, you are my best friend, you respect me, you understand me, you support me. I love the way you kiss and hug me. Wow, that's nice. You motivate me, You are different from others. You are tall. You are handsome. I love your hands. Okay. I love the way you smile. I can count on you. You always give me attention.
Yes.
Thank you so much for this gift. I'm liking it like mad.